Hey guys, so here I have a pair of Pumas right here, and I'm going to use this whitener. I've actually already done it on the right shoe. You could see the other one, I got a lot of brown marks where my shoelaces were covering it, and I put it on. It's pretty good, and I mean, it definitely makes the shoe look a lot nicer. Before I did this, I cleaned it in some soapy water, and you know, really where I see it makes a difference is definitely on the sole part. Gets that nice and clean and white. So I don't know how long it lasts, and if you get a little bit on, like, let's say the black part of your shoe, you could just use some soapy water and clean it. So it does get a little bit difficult when you're getting there, but just to kind of show you guys what it does is, if you could put it on, you'll see that you just got to kind of paint your shoe, and yeah, it starts working pretty good, and it'll make your shoes look a lot cleaner and newer. Usually when my shoes start getting older, I just start you know, they start becoming my yard shoes, or I start kicking the soccer ball with them and just not really caring, and then I have to buy new shoes, and I was gonna do it with these, but I decided I liked them so much I wanted to see if I could clean them up a little bit before, and so I got this product for $3 on Amazon. Wanted to give it a go and see if, you know, I can make this look really nice and fresh. So yeah, I think it does a decent job. So I mean, pretty good. Give it a try.